Try this. Workbook page 124. Do y'all need to see number 1? No. Do you need to see it? Okay. Don't say might as well unless you really need me to work that problem. 12 divided by x plus 3 over 4 equals 3 over 2. What will be the smallest thing that those will go into? All of them. 4x. Good. Now, if you had made it 8x by multiplying all of them, that would work, but you would have to simplify in the last step, so why not just go ahead and make it 4x, right? All right, what do I multiply this by? 4. 12 times 4 is 48, and what do I have to multiply this by? X. So 3 times x is x. What do I have to multiply 2 by to get 4x? 2x. Perfect. 3 times 2x, 6x. Now that the denominators are the same, you can just cancel them out, right? So you get 48 plus 3x equals 6x. Subtract 3x, so I get 48 equals 3x divided by 3. 16 equals x. What was the next one y'all were supposed to do? Number 4. Okay. I assume you need to see it. All right. So s over s plus 2 plus s equals 5s plus 8 divided by s plus 2. What's the common denominator going to be? S plus 2. Good. They helped you out on this problem. There's only one of them that does not already have that denominator, right? Which one is that? The s. That's like saying s over 1, right? So I would multiply this by s plus 2, multiply this by s plus 2. So I'm going to get s. What's s times s plus 2? S squared plus 2s. Very good. And that's just 5s plus 8. So the s plus 2 is going to cancel out, right? And I'm left with s plus s squared plus 2s equals 5s plus 8. Now what? Yeah, move the 5s plus 8 over, and I'm going to write this in standard form. So s squared, s plus 2s was, 3s minus 5s, negative 2s minus 8 equals 0. Then you just factor it, right? Or complete the square. I know that's what you like to do. So I get s minus 4, s plus 2 equals 0. So I get s equals 4, s equals negative 2. Well, you're supposed to check your solutions, and when you plug in negative 2, does it work? No. I still want to see that you did it, but when you plug it in, negative 2 doesn't work, okay? Yeah, 4 will. All right, let's do number 5, right? Number 5, I got 5 divided by y minus 5 equals y divided by y minus 5, negative 1, minus 1. What's the least common denominator going to be? Y minus 5. So I'm lucky because 2 of them already match that. So the only one I need to match that is the last one. That's like saying 1 over 1, right? What do you have to multiply this by? Y minus 5, y minus 5. So I have 5y, y minus 5. Okay, you get 5 equals y minus. Now, when you have something behind a minus sign and it's a binomial, what should you do? What should you do? Put in parentheses. Because you have to distribute the negative, right? So I get 5 equals y minus y plus 5. Y minus y is 0. Does 5 equal 5? So how many of y'all put all real numbers? How many of you put all real numbers? Did you even do this problem? You just put 5 equals 5? Yeah, when you get something equals something and it's true, you're supposed to put all reals. If I would have got something that said 5 equals 0, is that true? No, so you put no solution. Why did I, though, when I called out the answer, say 5 all reals except 5? Look at the original problem. What would happen if you had 5? What's 5 divided by 5 minus 5? 5 divided by 0. What is 5 divided by 0? Undefined. So when you get something undefined, it messes the problem up, doesn't it? So do you understand now why you say all reals except 5? Because if you plug it in and it gives you a 0 on the denominator, you need to say that that's not part of the solution set, okay? Are you good with these? Are you ready for me to do some more examples, some different examples besides the homework? Okay.